Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually filmed an intro for this initially, but I forgot to press record on my camera, so yeah. Here's a shot of my roommate's cat, Kiki. Okay, with that being said, let's get right into it. So I bought a lot of new jewelry from this website called Crazy Factory. Super cheap piercings and the quality is pretty good. I ordered a bunch of them, which I'm cleaning with 70% rubbing alcohol. Then I'm letting it dry for a bit. Okay, now I'm gonna start removing some of my piercings. I know this is gonna be super hard for some of them, especially these two. Rings are really hard to remove. Ah, fuck, this is gonna suck. It's gonna be really hard. These jewelry need to be twisted, otherwise it's gonna fuck up the shape of the jewelry. But I find that they're really hard to twist. Oh, motherfucker. If some of you have any tips on how to remove, please let me know. It doesn't hurt, it's just really uncomfortable and annoying. Ça me pète les... Yes! Ok, this one, ça va être le pire, ça va être le pire. Oh non, je sais pas, I don't know how. I'm gonna skip the nose for now because genre, I can't, I'm way too scared, I'm gonna fuck it up. I'm gonna take care of this one. Don't forget to clean your hands when you change your piercings. I've had this in for a really long time and I really don't know if I can. If I can't do this, I'm gonna have to go to a piercer and I really don't want to do that. Putain de merde. Okay, let's try this one. This one I tried removing multiple times and I can never twist it, so fuck it, I'm just gonna use this tool. There's not enough space for me to put this in to stretch it, mais... Putain, mais c'est pas possible! Ok. Gently. Wow, zero difference. Fuck my life. Je vais passer toute ma vie dessus. Okay. For my tongue, I'm choosing this jewelry. The material is acrylic, so it's really comfortable on your tongue. Fuck. Putain, mais... Nice. The jewelry that I'm most nervous about is this one for my vertical bread. I made a mistake and I ordered it in a size that was too big. Like, the size lengthwise is, I think, perfect for my lip, but it's way too thick, so I don't think it's gonna fit. It doesn't hurt, but it won't go in. Great. Okay, bon. I'm giving up on this jewelry. Okay. I really like this jewelry, it's just too long. So in this one I'm gonna put this yellow ring. This one is very easy to twist. It's also very easy to close. For this hole, I'm gonna use this horseshoe. Okay, nice. Onto my septum piercing. I'm gonna use this horseshoe, but this one is a bit smaller. I actually need to stretch it a little bit. I'm putting this in the middle, stretching it a tiny bit. Okay, now closing the jewelry is the part that I hate the most because I always drop the ball. Looks okay, I think. I like it. Now I'm gonna put one in here. I initially wanted to put a ring, but I don't have any, so I'm just putting this little guy. It's striped, pink and silver. Yeah, so I'm back. Unfortunately, I couldn't film while I was in there, so yeah, this is the result. It's pretty much similar to the previous one, it's just in silver. This one is easier to remove because it's not a ring. It looks like that, and because it's an open ring, you can just slide it in from the inside. It's really easy to remove. So yeah, this way I don't have to go to the piercer every time I want to remove a ring. Those are really hard to remove by yourself. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a jewelry in my rook. I think I'm gonna use the little heart that was originally here, but I'm gonna try to put it in here. I feel like it will look good if I close it using this little baby. Putain, pourquoi je galère autant, fait chier. Amy? Yeah. Oh putain. Bah, t'as tellement de pince.
Ouais, c'est super mignon.
Ouais, putain, merci. Ouais. Ah, c'est finally done. Ok, bon, celui-là, on a vraiment galéré à le mettre. Et puis après, il est pas hyper bien fermé, mais c'est pas grave. Genre, I'm not a perfectionist. En fait, si, I am a perfectionist, mais c'est pas grave. Maybe I should put something in this one. Yay! I'm really happy with how this looks. Usually I wear silver jewelry. I feel like it looks better, especially with the pink, if this earring is also silver. And here... this is originally something for the nose, but I actually like it here. It's nice. What do you guys think? Le truc vraiment chiant quand tu changes tes piercings, c'est qu'après tes doigts ils puent la merde. Genre vraiment ça pue, putain. That's it for this video. Merci à tous d'avoir regardé. N'hésitez pas à laisser un commentaire si vous avez des questions ou des recommandations ou même du feedback. J'apprécie de ouf. If you want to see more body modification videos, you can check out these two videos right here, and you can subscribe to my channel right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!